Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install MSI Afterburner in your computer in a very simple way. What it does, it overclocks GPU and monitors performance while playing games. So how you can simply download it? Very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for MSI Afterburner. Here, click on that. Click on the MSI Afterburner. Click on this, and from here you can simply click on accept all. Click on this first link and click on download, and as you can see, it will be a zip folder, so it will downloading. It's about 42.2 MB, and now it's downloaded. And now if you click on the folder icon, you can simply extract all. Here it is. Click on it 2 times to install. There will be a permission. Click install. Click yes for the permission. Click OK. Click yes. Next. Check I accept the agreement, and next, and next, and install. Now simply minimize all of your background tab, and now you can simply see, click on OK, next, accept, next, and install. The river tuner is rightly going on it, so it's another process. As you can see, completing MSI Afterburner setup, so click on finish, and now here it is, your MSI Afterburner. So from here you can overclock your GPU. So I will not going to go that section right now. I just wanted to tell you that this is the way you can simply do that. And if you want to know how you can simply overclock it, then you can simply comment below. I'm going to show you how you can simply do that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.